Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is not gonna be too long. I'm just gonna say if you want to start with an IoT, I think this is the perfect kit for you to buy. Let's see what is inside. So it might not be all the shops that sells the same kit, but inside, as you can see, we have a relay. And then we have a I call it an LDR. I call it a LDR. And then we have IR sensor. Then you have ESP. I'm already starting. Then we have a DHT. Then we have a LCD. But this type of LCD, there's a specific name. It's called OLED display module. Okay, we have a buzzer, we have LEDs, resistors, buttons, and jumper wires. It's just for you to start, with Internet of Things, or IoT or IoT development, guys. And from there, yeah, then you take it from there. Thanks for watching, guys.